Namaste, all of you. In this video, we are going to learn the modern periodic table. This is a chart of modern periodic table. Observe this chart carefully. Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley was the English scientist. Henry Moseley shows that atomic number is the more fundamental property of an element. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of electrons or protons present in the nucleus of particular atom of element. Then modern periodic law. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. This is the modern periodic law. Properties of all elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. That means atomic number is the base of this modern periodic table. Then 7 horizontal rows. This modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows, and these 7 horizontal rows are called as period. First period contains only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Second period contains 8 elements. Third period contains 8 elements. Fourth period contains 18 elements. Fifth period contains 18 elements, and sixth element contains 32 elements. In this way, there are 7 horizontal rays. Then vertical columns. In this modern periodic table, there are 18 vertical columns, and these 18 vertical columns are called as groups, and these 18 groups are numbered from 1 to 18, okay, from left to right. Then lanthanide and actinide series. There are 2 separate horizontal rows at the bottom of the periodic table, and the first row at the bottom is called as the lanthanide series. The second row at the bottom is called as the actinide series. Then there are 118 boxes in this modern periodic table. That means there are 118 boxes are present in this modern periodic table, and in each box there are 4 things are given. In each box there are 4 things are given. This is the atomic number of element, this is the name of the element, symbol of element, this is the name of element, and last atomic mass of elements. Then this entire modern periodic table is divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. This S block contains group first and group second. This P block contains groups from 13 to 18. Then D block elements, these are the D block elements. D block elements contains groups 3 to 12, and these D block elements are also called as transition elements. Then last block, that is F block, and F block contains lanthanide series and actinide series. Then zigzag line. A zigzag line is present in the P block. This is the P block, and this red color line is zigzag line is present, and metalloid elements are shown along the border of this zigzag line. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, astatine, these are the metalloid elements. Elements present to the right hand side of these zigzag lines are called as the non-metals, and elements present to the left hand side of zigzag line are all these metals. So in this P block there three types of elements, metals, non-metals and metalloids are present. Then group first elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, these are the group first elements, and this group is called as the alkali metals. These are the alkali metals, and the valency of all these alkali metals is only 1. So valency is same, so the chemical properties of all these alkali metals are same. Then group second, this is the group second. These are the elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, these are the elements in the second group, and these elements in group second are called as alkaline earth metals, and the valency of all alkaline earth metals is 2. The valency is 2. In this group valency is 1. In this group valency is 2. So when the valency is same, so these all elements, these all alkaline earth metals shows the same chemical properties. Then another important group is group 17. Group 17 contains elements of halogen family. That means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are the halogens. And there are 7 electrons are present in the outermost shells of halogens. And the valency of all these halogen elements is 1. So valency is same, so these halogens shows the same chemical properties. Then last group is the 18th group, and group 18 contains noble gases or inert gases, or these are also called as the zero group elements. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, these are the zero elements. Helium contains 2 electrons in outermost shell, so helium is stable. Then these all elements, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these elements contains 8 elements in their outermost shell, so chemically they are also stable. Valency of all these elements in the 18th group is 0, so these elements are called as the zero group elements, and these elements are inactive elements. In this way, this is all about basic information of modern periodic table. I am Devkar Satish Kumar from PM Shinde Kanya Vidyalaya Dahibadi, Taluka Man, District Satara. Goodbye.